Haven't used that suitcase in years, and found this in there. My mom gave me this. It's a saying by Will Smith: stop letting people who do so little for you control so much of your mind, feelings, and emotions. That thing hit the nail right on the head right about now in my life. About road trips, this and this. Oh my God, still got 2 more hours to drive. Jeez, check that out. You see that? Those clouds just like, that's cool. If I weren't running late, I would pull over and take a little pic. Welcome to California. 20 ADHD tantrums later. No, finally here.
I'm guessing you got hit with traffic coming off this one area, like off the freeway.
Yeah.
Yeah. We beat that by like a second.
You guys are lucky.
Make sure my child is horrible.
Alright, well, cheers to a great 3 days of fun, relaxation, wine.
Yes. Ah, yes. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, yeah.
That's strong.
She's like,
are you drunk on the tater tots there, little baby? Drunk off of the tater tots there, little baby?
Uh-oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Ah, there she is. Where'd she go?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Where'd she go?
Oh, she can't find herself.
There she goes. There she is. There's that fat baby. Oh, there's that fat baby. There's that fat baby. Oh, there she is. Oh, you got tater tots everywhere.
She's so cute. What starts with a letter B? The other letter B. Bougie.
Bougie.
There's some bougie girls over there. Think I stand a chance?
Pay $500 a year to become a wine member.
To get 25.
I feel like I just drank and I didn't even prost you guys.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't either.
It's your turn
I
to
drank
prost.
like 3 times. Is it?
Give us the prost.
Okay. My prost is to good times with good friends and a good baby.
And fat babies. Grapes.
Did I already say good wine?
Yes.
And no grapes. Okay, next stop, heading to another winery. What's that in there?
Oh, it's a restaurant.
Leaving Callaway now, and we're headed to Ponte.
Ponte. Like Target.
It's like Target. Ponte.
He said Ponte.
I said Ponte. Like a car Pontiac.
They don't make those anymore.
No, they don't. Showing my age. Exit. Stage right even. Stage right even. We're getting ready to Ponte.
Who's home?
Who's ready to Ponte?
Reverend Run is. He's pretty fat.
Yes, he is. He's chubby.
That's why he ties his shoes down, because he can't not untie it.
He wears the Velcro shoes now. You gotta try the Super T. The Super T.
Super T.
Oh, that's one of my mom's favorites.
Going in for the Super T.
Do you remember the Super? Did you have the Super T here before?
No. Super T time.
I think we buy this one.
Yeah, well, we've always thought it. I'm gonna kick his ass in this. Day one.
It's day one.
But
It's day one. It's just ready to.
I thought it would take a few days.
Last time I was here, this was like all grapevines, and now it's like nothing vines. Okay, so the first rule of thumb when you're coming out, don't leave your good camera at home. Don't leave your good camera in the hotel room, you idiot. Just lucky that it's day one. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys again about that little Will Smith saying that I found in the luggage. So pretty much, if you're giving your all to somebody and they're not reciprocating or giving it back to you, knock it off, because they're not worth your time or your effort. It's the thing that people with ADHD always do. It's like we always try to please everybody. So if they're not showing you the same kind of appreciation, don't do it. Stop it. Just to say it a little bit more. You know we have that tendency. We do. Feel like we have to go above and beyond a lot of times to get people to like us or whatever. But we really need to pay attention to the signs that if they're showing us that same appreciation. If they're not, then I know it may be hard. You want to keep trying so that they can show the same emotion to you. A lot of times you're just not going to get it. Open up your eyes and pay attention to the signs. That's all I got to say. It's harder for people like us with ADHD to recognize that, but you got to recognize it. You have to. Now, back to our regularly scheduled vlog. Oh, so proud of my boy over here. He's got his like camera out. He's got a YouTube channel too. I'll link it down below so you can check it out. He and his cousin, my homie, Bert, the nerd herd, but like he's got his camera out here and he's using it for family moments. Look at this out there.
Whoa.
You get some good shots.
Yeah. Oh, something smells good out here too.
Alright, time for the next stop. I don't even know where we're going next, but pretty sure it's gonna be fun. Plus my camera died on me. Welcome to the iPhone XR vlog. So this plant smells like Mother Earth. That's strange. It really does. It smells like Mother Earth. Okay, being left. Winery number 3, I think. Oh no, I lost count. parking like a boss. We are Old Town Temecula and Temecula. Let's go and check out the sights and see what's going on here. Alright everybody, that's going to call it a day. Day number 1 here in Temecula, California. Hanging out with a couple of friends, just having a good time. Trying to get a little bit of relaxation in. Life's been a little stressful to say the least. What I'm going to leave you guys with today is pretty much what I touched upon at the beginning of the video and kind of like in the middle of the video. With people like us with ADHD, we have a tendency to like put people before ourselves, and we need to learn how to stop doing that. And I know it's like a lot easier said than done. It's something that we really need to do, and we also need to pay attention to the signs of if a certain person is not caring as much about you as you care about them. Stop putting other people before yourself. You gotta put yourself first, because if you don't start treating yourself good first, how can you treat anyone else good? No one else deserves to be treated better than you treat yourself. I'm guilty of it. I need to practice what I preach. I plan on doing that, and that's the reason why I'm sharing it with you. Hey, if you like this video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. And if I forgot to mention, my name is PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day, or I hope you had a super beautiful day hanging out with me. I do videos just like this, as well as ADHD tips and an occasional tech video. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe by clicking the button down below. And until I see you for day number 2 in Temecula, Audi 5000G. Alright, so I think I'm gonna get to bed. No, as a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna edit this video, then I'll get to bed. See you later.